Daddy, are you fixing it?
Yeah.
Daddy! Come on, do it again. Good. One more. Tita, are you ready to hang it there? Good. Okay, come on.
Okay. I want to.
No, sure, run this way, this way. Well, I can go over there. Okay, how many seconds you can? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on.
Magkay dito.
No.
Magkay. Do it again. Use both hands.
Go.
I just
No.
wanna.
Go on the big slide. The big slide.
Over there.
Come on. Let's go on the big slide. Come on.
Go. Go follow Daddy.
I want to go on here first.
Go on the big one. Come on. This one's better.
The wheel. I want to see something.
Let's go here first. This one first. Yeah.
No, that's a big tire.
Tire's hot. That tire. That's a tire. Go up here.
No, this is not it. Right?
What is it?
I'm just the church ride.
Did the TJ slide?
Yeah.
Go up.
Hello, guys.
It's big. No, it's not. Go look up. Go all the way up to the top and look.
Are you scared?
Big.
Huh.
See?
Uh-huh. This is where my SpongeBob slide.
Yeah, go down.
Come on down.
Is it scary? It's so cold up here.
Tita, did you just say it's so cold? Hey, stop it. Stop it. You don't do that. Please.
You want to go down again? You want to go again?
I want to go in this.
Okay. Bye-bye.